Great ideas fuel progress. Making them real propels us forward. Yet many valuable ideas that could improve our lives never see the light of day. Status quo manufacturing processes are cumbersome, holding innovation back from the world. 3D printers have made inroads, but printers alone are not enough. Carbon is more than a printer. We're creating an idea-to-production platform of advanced materials, software, hardware, and services that is expanding what can be made and accelerating how smart ideas become real. We are solving hard problems to empower creators everywhere to develop better products faster in ways not possible with traditional technologies. And we're building a global ecosystem that's opening up the world of manufacturing. An engineer designs a revolutionary bike saddle in California, tests prototypes that week in Italy, and produces it in Taiwan. Dentists custom fit clear aligners that are produced in days, giving patients newfound confidence. Cycling without pain. Smiling without shame. Whether the need is one or millions, people experience meaningful impact. Carbon empowers you to explore and realize your best ideas quickly. We are leading the way to a more open, connected, and sustainable world of manufacturing that will improve all our lives. Our mission is to enable creators everywhere to make what the world needs right now.